Hi everybody, I am back. My name is Denise, in case you don't know. I'm here to let you know we have some updates on our house. They did say that we was going to close July the 16th of 2021, but now they push it down to June the 15th, 2021. Yay! I am so excited. Let's keep our fingers crossed. You can see my eyes, I will cross them too, but I just want to say thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and please share. Thanks again. I'm gonna put some pictures at the end of the house. Where is it now? Thanks. Bye.